how to fill out an agreement. First of all, you can change the name of the agreement by clicking on the pencil icon. Any progress you've made will be notified in the top right corner. At any point, you can turn on or turn off the AI legal assistant. Then it's time to answer some questions so that we can craft a proper agreement for you. The progress bar will indicate how many questions is there left. At any point, you can back up and change your answer. Once you've answered the initial questions about the agreement, it's time to actually properly fill out the agreement with a few of the follow-up questions. Once the agreement is completed, you will receive a notification in the top right corner. Document completed. You can still change any of the data you've entered by simply clicking on the data that you want to change. You've changed the data you wanted to change? It's time to save the document. And the document is saved.